everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato no miso gratin. Today I'm making simple potato gratin seasoned with miso. I'm making it as a side today, so I'm not adding any meat. But if you're making it as a main, you can add ham, chicken, turkey, anything you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this potato no miso gratin, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 to 5 potatoes, 400 ml of milk, half a cup of panko breadcrumb, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of miso, and some shredded mozzarella, as much as you like. Let's peel and slice potatoes. If you see any eyes, remove it using the heel of the knife. Now, I'm going to slice them using vegetable slicer. If you are using knife, try to standardize the thickness. It's just an empty bowl. Don't release in water or anything. You need a starch as a thickener. Let's just slice. This thickness. Then potato, milk and butter all into the frying pan or pot. Put the lid on and let it simmer over medium heat until the potato is nice and soft. Simmer for 5 minutes. Let's give it a mix so that they cook evenly. Lid back on and keep cooking until it's all cooked. Simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes and potato is all cooked. Put miso in a small bowl and add some milk in here. And dissolve the miso completely. Then put it back into the frying pan. By doing this, instead of putting miso straight into the frying pan, you can avoid having chunk of miso in your gratin. Give it a mix. Little bit of salt to taste. Kill the heat and let's put it in the oven rail. Let's pour all the remaining milk too. shredded mozzarella, panko breadcrumb, then into the oven. Grilled for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. And potato no miso gratin is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's serve in the plate here. And いただきます。Miso adds so much depth and layer to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. I made the dish today as a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about bacon to horenso no wafu pasta here, which will also cover the main, and your favorite soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.